Today's video is Swooping Bird Callum shaves Kaden's mustache / grounded. And this is the first video of Swooping Bird Callum gets grounded, so enjoy the video. Man, I really hate Kaden. Why? Because he always get me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons, and I wonder what I should do. Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to shave Kaden's mustache. Ha 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 ha. Meanwhile at Kaden's house, I'm going to play Fortnite. Ugh, Swooping Bird Callum, what are you doing here at my house? I'm going to shave your mustache. What? No 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 no. Please don't shave my mustache. Too late. No, my mustache is gone. Well, that's what you get for getting me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons. Swooping Bird Callum, how dare you shave my mustache? That's it. Go home right now, while I call your normal clone about this. No 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 no. No. When Swooping Bird Callum got home, my Swooping Bird clone, how dare you shave Kaden's mustache? That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room right now. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.